Welcome back to Crypto Spaces with another Monad update for you guys, and what I think is a potential massive gem that I've covered on the channel a few times before, and I'm just updating you guys on these projects, right? So Monad right now just under 2 cent, 215.3 mil in circulating market cap. It is extremely massive gem. This is one of the altcoins that came out in the bear, right? Because it does feel like a bear market. A lot of people would say, well, it's a bull market. No, it really feels like a bear market. But the timing for Monad to launch was, in my opinion, impeccable, because now you get to see the real builders build. And for next year, right, if there is something that goes awry, Monad could be one of the outlier altcoins that still performs well even in terrible market conditions, right? That could be the case, right? So I think Monad is a great gem to have. As always, like I said, 100,000 Monad is a great investment, right? Even if you could just get 50,000 Monad, right now 100,000 Monad is $1,989. And we're ranging here. I think the low was in around 1.7 cent. That was a low, 1.679 cent. So we're ranging here. We started to climb up from the low. I think 2026 is going to be bullish, and it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. I think that's going to be the case, right? And once that is the case, that's when you're going to start to see Monad make its move to 10, 20 cents. And eventually, 50 cents to $1 to $2 in the future. It has 1 year to make a move like Solana did in 2020 to 2021, the 2021 cycle, and AVAX and Cardano, and I think Matic as well. All of those layer ones in the 2020 to 2021 cycle made 100x moves, right? Matic, Cardano, maybe not a 100x move from Cardano, but a massive move. AVAX, Solana. So basically, Monad is the 2025 to 2026 version of layer 1 altcoins in the 2020 to 2021 bull cycle. That's what I think, right? And I'm so bullish on Monad, and I think it's gonna do absolutely amazing. And to jump into, to transition from here, we're taking a look at Anago, right? So Anago is the founder's pet dog, right? And in crypto history, right, the dogs always outperform, right? Last year in the Solana boom, we saw Dog with Hat go to 5 bill market cap. We saw Floki go to 3 bill market cap. We saw Shiba and Doge go to above 10, 20, 30 bill market cap. We saw Baby Doge get to 1 billion market cap. Doge Mars get to 1 billion market cap. Dog coins statistically outperform when it comes to meme coins or just, crypto in general. People love dog coins, right? So having a bit of a position in, the founder's pet dog, Anago, I think is a great bet. Right now, to get like 1 million tokens, it's only like $42 to get 1 million tokens, right? Just $42. If you want to toss in $100, you could do so you get 2 million tokens. But I think the upside for this is massive. You could potentially see 100 mil market cap, if not 1 billion market cap from here, right? And what is also interesting as well, even though it was a while ago, right? If you take a look at the community tab for Anago, they made a community. You see James here, which is who is co-founder of Monad, James, interacting with Anago and letting people know he burned 1 million tokens of Anago, right? So that was a great thing that happened. Right now, it's in a spot because I bought, and I told you guys to buy around, in the video recently, I told you guys I bought around, up here at first at 100 to 200K, and I watched it and I saw it come down. I was like, oh, well, this is why I never invest money you're willing to lose. But it's starting to climb back up again. So in the recent video I made, I think I told you guys you could get some exposure at 15 15,000 market cap, 15k market cap, which would have got you 1 million tokens for like $15, and you're already above a 2x right now, right? You're already above a 2x. If you want to take out your initials, if you followed the video, you want to take out your initials, take some profit, feel free to do so, right? Got a helicopter passing by. So you guys hear that? So like I was saying, I think this has massive potential. Obviously, if you want to invest more than that, like say you want to invest to get 1% of the supply, that's going to be $411 or $420, $420, or yeah, around that, which gets you 1% of the supply. I personally don't think you need to overinvest, man, because say Anago goes to 100 mil market cap and you got 1 million tokens, that's gonna be $100,000. And if we see Monad absolutely explode and we get some magic on this chain, and Anago goes to 1 billion market cap, right? With your 1 million tokens, that's gonna be $1 million, right? But we have to see, man, because I'm not sure if the CTO team is still active, because they haven't posted in a while. But you never know if someone else could CTO and then all of a sudden this Anago starts to make a move for it, like it's been doing from the lows as of late, right? And what's something you have to look out for as well is that this is the first deployed Anago on chain. This is why it's not a nad.fun launch, right? It's peer to Uniswap's liquidity, because this was the first Anago that was posted on chain. So I think this is a good bet, and that's why I say don't invest more than you're willing to lose, because you never know what could happen, right? So $42 in gets you 1 million tokens, and I think that's gonna be amazing, right? I'm telling you guys. So obviously take profits along the way, take your initials, take some profits, stay vigilant, and yeah, I think we got winners here on Monad, man. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like the video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.